Luxembourg is small, nestled in the heart of Europe. This tiny nation is often overlooked on the map. But don't let that fool you. Despite its size, Luxembourg is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. This country is big on charm. Think rolling hills that stretch as far as the eye can see, medieval castles that whisper tales of old, and charming towns that seem to be plucked straight out of a fairy tale. This small nation packs a big punch when it comes to beautiful places to visit. From lush forests to serene rivers, Luxembourg's landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. Luxembourg is in the heart of Europe. It's bordered by Belgium to the west and north, France to the south, and Germany to the east. This central location makes it a perfect gateway to explore the rest of Europe. The country is easy to explore by car or train. With well-maintained roads and efficient public transport, getting around is a breeze. You can see a lot in a short time. Whether you're on a road trip or a scenic train journey, every corner of Luxembourg has something unique to offer. In this essay, we'll explore some of Luxembourg's most stunning spots. From the bustling capital city to the tranquil countryside, there's so much to see and do. Get ready to discover breathtaking views and picturesque villages. Each location has its own story, its own charm, and its own beauty. So, come along and discover the beauty of Luxembourg. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Luxembourg has something for everyone. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the hidden gems of this enchanting country. Luxembourg City is the capital of Luxembourg. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this city is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. With its unique blend of modernity and tradition, Luxembourg City offers a captivating experience for every traveler. It's a charming city with a lot to offer. From its bustling streets filled with cafes and boutiques to its serene parks and gardens, there's something for everyone. The city's vibrant atmosphere is infectious, making it a delightful place to explore. The city is built on a cliff, providing stunning views from almost every corner. This unique topography adds to its charm, making it a picturesque destination that feels like a fairy tale come to life. It overlooks the Alzette and Petruse rivers, which wind their way through the city, adding to its scenic beauty. These rivers not only enhance the city's landscape, but also offer opportunities for leisurely walks and picturesque photo spots. The Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historic area is a treasure trove of medieval architecture and cobblestone streets, transporting visitors back in time. It's a place where history comes alive, and every corner has a story to tell. It's full of narrow streets and historic buildings. Wandering through these streets, you'll discover charming squares, ancient fortifications, and hidden gems that reveal the city's rich past. You can explore the city's history at the Grand Ducal Palace. This magnificent building is the official residence of the Grand Duke of Luxembourg and a symbol of the country's royal heritage. Guided tours offer a glimpse into the opulent interiors and the history of the Grand Duchy, or see the Notre Dame Cathedral. This stunning Gothic cathedral is a masterpiece of architecture, with its intricate stained glass windows and towering spires. It's a place of peace and reflection, offering a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. For the best views, head to the Chemin de la Corniche. Known as the most beautiful balcony in Europe, this walkway offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the surrounding valleys. It's the perfect spot to take in the beauty of Luxembourg City, with its blend of natural landscapes and historic architecture. Luxembourg City is a must-see destination. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply looking for a charming European getaway, this city has it all. Its rich cultural heritage, stunning scenery, and welcoming atmosphere make it a place you'll want to return to again and again. It's a perfect blend of history and nature. From its ancient fortresses and castles to its lush parks and gardens, Luxembourg City offers a unique experience that seamlessly combines the past and the present. It's a destination that promises to enchant and inspire every visitor. The Multilingual region is in eastern Luxembourg. It's known for its stunning rock formations, The area is called Little Switzerland for its rocky landscapes. Hike through forests and discover hidden waterfalls. The region is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Visit the Schießentumpel waterfall. It's a beautiful waterfall cascading down moss-covered rocks. Don't miss the Echternach Benedictine Abbey. It's a beautiful example of Romanesque architecture. The Multilingual region offers a unique blend of nature and culture. Echternach is a historic town in eastern Luxembourg. It's located on the banks of the Schur River. The town is famous for its Benedictine Abbey. Echternach is also a great base for exploring the Multilingual region. Go for a hike or bike ride along the river, or visit the nearby forests and rock formations. Every year, Echternach hosts a unique dancing procession. It's a tradition dating back to the Middle Ages. Echternach is a town that seamlessly blends history and nature. Section 5. Vianden Castle, a medieval gem. Nestled in the picturesque Ardennes region of Luxembourg, Vianden Castle stands as a testament to medieval architecture and history. Vianden Castle overlooks the quaint town of Vianden, offering a stunning view that captures the essence of a bygone era. The castle's strategic location on a hilltop provided a vantage point for defense and surveillance in medieval times. It's one of the largest and most beautiful castles in Europe, a true marvel of medieval engineering. The castle's grandeur is evident in its towering walls and intricate design, making it a favorite among tourists and historians alike. The castle dates back to the 11th century, with its construction spanning several decades. Its architecture reflects the styles and influences of different periods, from Romanesque to Gothic. It was once home to the powerful Counts of Vianden, who played a significant role in the region's history. The castle's halls and chambers are filled with artifacts and statues that tell the story of these noble families. Today, the castle is fully restored to its former glory, thanks to extensive renovation efforts. The restoration has preserved its historical integrity while making it accessible to modern visitors. Visitors can explore its many rooms and towers, each offering a glimpse into the past. From the grand banquet halls to the private chambers, every corner of the castle has a story to tell. Take a chairlift up to the castle for breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The ride itself is an experience, offering panoramic vistas of the lush Ardennes forest and the meandering Our River. Explore the charming town of Vianden at the foot of the castle. The town is a treasure trove of medieval architecture, with cobblestone streets, ancient buildings, and cozy cafes that transport you back in time. Vianden Castle is a true medieval gem, a symbol of the region's rich history and cultural heritage. Its imposing structure and scenic location make it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling through Luxembourg. It's a must-see for history buffs and anyone who loves a good castle. Whether you're interested in medieval history, architecture, or simply looking for a beautiful place to visit, Vianden Castle offers something for everyone. Come and discover the magic of this medieval masterpiece. Section 6. The Moselle Valley, wine, rivers, and charming villages. The Moselle Valley is a picturesque region. It follows the Moselle River. The region is known for its vineyards. These vineyards produce some of Luxembourg's best white wines. Take a river cruise or stroll along the Moselle Path. Visit the charming villages that dot the riverbanks. Remich is a popular town. It is known for its wine cellars and lively atmosphere. Sample some local wines at one of the many vineyards. The Moselle Valley offers a delightful blend of natural beauty and local flavors. Section 7. The Ardennes, rugged beauty and historical significance. The Ardennes region is in northern Luxembourg. It's a region of rolling hills, forests and rivers. The area is perfect for hiking and outdoor activities. Visit the impressive Esch-sur-Schur castle, perched on a rocky outcrop. Explore the ruins of Borscheid Castle for panoramic views. The Ardennes also played a significant role in World War II. Visit the Bastogne War Museum to learn more. The Ardennes region offers a blend of natural beauty and historical significance. Section 8. The Red Lands. Industrial heritage and natural splendor. The Red Lands, or Terres Rouges, get their name from their iron-rich soil. The region was once a center of iron ore mining. Today, the area is being transformed. Explore old mining sites that have been turned into parks. Discover the region's industrial heritage at the National Museum of Iron Mining. Visit the impressive rock formations at Gier-les-Bottes. The Redlands offer a unique blend of industrial heritage and natural splendor. Section 9. Upper Shore Lake, a water wonderland. Upper Shore Lake is a man-made lake. It's in the heart of Luxembourg. The lake is a popular destination for water sports. Go swimming, kayaking, or windsurfing. Rent a boat and explore the lake's many coves and inlets. Hike or bike around the lake for stunning views. Visit the charming town of Esch-sur-Shore. It's located on a peninsula overlooking the lake. Upper Shore Lake is a perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Section 10. The Our Nature Park, Untamed Beauty in the North. The Our Nature Park is in northern Luxembourg. It borders Germany and Belgium. The park is known for its untouched natural beauty. Hike through dense forests and discover hidden waterfalls. Go kayaking or canoeing on the Our River. Visit the impressive rock formations at Hollet, Hollow Rock. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife. Keep an eye out for deer, wild boar, and birds. The Our Nature Park offers a true escape into nature. Section 11. Discover your own Luxembourg. Share your favorite spots. Luxembourg is full of hidden gems. These are just a few of the many beautiful places to discover, so pack your bags and get ready to explore. Luxembourg is waiting for you. What are your favorite places to visit in Luxembourg? Share your recommendations in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.